Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you saw in the title, it is that time of the month again. We have another Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. So this is July's box. I do apologize, my Boxycharm unboxings kind of went a little MIA. For May, I did film that unboxing, but unfortunately everything was just all over the place. Lighting was messing up. I didn't like where I filmed it in the background and any of that. And then on top of that, my mood, everything seemed off, right? Everything seemed off, and I know it was just a Boxycharm unboxing video, but nothing in that video just seemed right. It was just very like blah. And I was like, I don't even, like, editing and rewatching it, I was like, I don't even want to watch this, so why would I put this out into the world? So then June came and my box got stolen. So unfortunately, I don't know where my box ended up. It said it was delivered. I never got it. I gave it a minute, never showed. It wasn't with any neighbors or anything that I know of. And so I did reach out to Boxycharm. They were nice enough to try, at least, to send me another box for June with the same items that I chose. I did add on 2 add-ons. So the one was going to be in that box. The other one, they were out of stock. So they did go ahead and refund me for the one that they couldn't replace, which I was very grateful for, because I feel like it's it's nice to reach out and see what companies can do, but at the end of the day, it really isn't their fault if the package never got to you. You know what I mean? It's either going to be the carriers or your neighbors just being rude, mean people and stealing from you. So it's not their fault that your box got stolen, but it was nice enough for them to want to replace it. Unfortunately, she said that in about 5 to 7 business days, I was supposed to get another link of, for tracking, and I never got it. I kept checking my regular email, I kept checking my spam. I never got a link to a tracking for the new June box, so I never received it. I don't think it was sent out as far as I know, because again, I didn't even get an email saying that it was, being packed and at the warehouse and delivered or any of that. I never got any links. So I did not want to keep bugging them, because again, I don't feel like they really need to replace the box. So I said, you know what? We're going to give it another month. We're going to see what July brings. And if I don't get the box, then I'm going to either have to cancel my subscription, because I'm not going to be paying for my neighbors to have my box every month. Or I can talk to my postal office and see if they can just keep it and I can go pick it up instead of having it delivered. So I did receive it, as you can tell, for the month of July. So we'll see how it goes. But that was just crazy. So hopefully from here on out, we will be very consistent and we will be uploading. And as you can tell, I am uploading this video pretty early on. I am off from work. We did take about a week vacation, so that's nice. We didn't go anywhere, any destinational place this year, because there's just, 1, inflation. I mean, hello. But 2, there's just other expenses that just kept popping up here and there that we had to take as a priority. So just time off with each other. I mean, I would love to just get away, but I'm trying to just count my blessings where I can count them and be grateful that we have each other, we have health, we're fine, everything's good. June was a crazy month in itself, but we're here, we're together, we can just make fun of it and do little things locally. So I'm excited for that. I'm off, I have the time. Let's get in the box. I just received this box yesterday, so I'm very excited to be filming this early in the month. So this is the Passport to Glow themed Boxycharm box. It's very summer pool themed here. And so in your box, you always get this little catalog about items that may be in your box and future dates coming and things like that. So it's always nice to look this over. Like always, I will try to list the prices of each product and the total at the end of the video. This month, I did not, I repeat, I did not add on any add-ons, which I was very excited. I kind of browsed through. There was a couple things that I was like, should I, shouldn't I? But I didn't. I just you know what? Let me just get my box. Let me see if I even get my box right. So I didn't add on any add-ons. I just got what they sent me this month. One of the products that they chose for me is the Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint with sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30 UVA and UVB protection. So I did get this. I actually like it so far. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is on my skin today. It's perfect for summer. If I would put this on in the wintertime, it would be too dark. It's matching my tan like spot on. This one is in the shade Light Medium Warm 09. I thought it was gonna be a little bit too light in the tube, but I literally just put it on right now, right before filming this video, and I really do like it. I will say it's a little like tacky, but not very, very tacky. Like, it feels like a skin tint. If I touch my forehead feels a little bit more set than like my cheeks for some reason. Like, maybe I just put a little bit too much around this area. I will say that my skin doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like slip around. It doesn't feel like I can go like this comfortably to my skin, and I don't feel like I'm like taking it off immediately. You know what I mean? Now, if my child rubs against my face, it's not set or anything, so it can come off. If I'm actually outside in the 90, 100 degree heat, yes, it's gonna melt off my face, especially if I don't have like set or anything. But for just very light summer makeup, vacation makeup, I think it makes my skin look very radiant and beautiful, but it's not like super slippery and greasy, if you know what I mean. I'm very, very picky with my skin tints for that reason. I don't like my face feeling wet, and so far this does not do that. So I'm very excited to continue to use this. I didn't even take it out of the box, but this is what this product looks like, and I think I might have had this in my Sephora cart. I know I had one of them in my Sephora cart, and I was like, you know what, let me just put it back because I'm probably like not gonna like it. I don't know, something told me to just put it back, but I'm glad that I did put it back because now I got it in my Boxycharm box. And so it does have like this nice, it's a nice squeezy tube. So all I did was just boop, 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 and then I literally used my fingers. I think with these types of products, your fingers are your best tools. You can go in maybe with a light sponge and just kind of make sure it's like blended in. There's no like fingerprint marks, but for the most part, it blended in so fast and so quick with just my fingers. I think if you use like a sponge, like right from the beginning, it's gonna soak up all the product. Same thing with the brush. I really think it's just gonna get very like streaky with a brush. I really do think that your fingers are going to be your best bet. So I'm really happy that they picked this product out for me. Another product that they picked out is the Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Scrub. So this is what this is. So I'm really excited. It is 3.38 ounces. Can I smell it? Is it closed? It's probably closed. Ooh, actually it smells good through the foil, but it is closed. But yeah, so it's always nice to get a body scrub. I do go through these pretty quickly. If you don't know, the way Boxycharm works is, one, it's a monthly subscription. I usually say this in the beginning of the video, but it is a monthly subscription. On the first of each month, they do charge you, and then usually within about 10 to 15 days later, you'll receive your box. They do choose 2 products for you, and then they give you the opportunity to choose the other 3 products for yourself, which is pretty cool. So the first item that I chose, and each time you choose an item, they give you a category, or not so much a category because it's mixed, but they will give you like, out of these 5 products, what would you like? And then you go down to the next one. Out of these 5 products, what would you like? You know what I mean? So it's not like they just give you a big broad list and you check literally, because sometimes like in one category I want like 2 products. I wish I could choose like 2, but no, you have to choose 1 in each. I'm pretty sure it's like a price range. I don't know, but it's my guess. But anyways, so out of everything, I just chose the blush. I don't need another blush. Okay, I don't need any of this really, but out of the options that I was given, this was like the best for me and what I was excited for. So this is the Cinta London, I think that's Cinta London, CL Cheeky Flush Blush. And this one is in the shade Remind Me. It's a nice, beautiful, like pink color, if you can see. There's also like a shimmer in it, like a gold shimmer. Kind of reminds me of the NARS O blush, if you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to get censored. It feels like, even by looking at it, it almost looks putty-like, right? Like it just, and it feels very soft and just like pill-like. I'm like, it's one of those products where like, are you a cream or a powder? Because you kind of feel like a powder, but you feel very bouncy. You know what I mean? Like those, I think they're called Glow Play blushes from MAC. Very similar to that. So I'm excited to try this out and kind of test its formula, but I do like the shade. Next category, I was very, very, very excited when I saw this. This is the Fenty perfume, and it is obviously a mini. It's not the full size, of course, but when I saw that they had this, I selected this so fast because I was like, you know what? I really want to try the Fenty perfume. I want to see what it's all about. What does Rihanna smell like? Like, does she actually wear this? And I will say, smelling it right out of the bottle, which even my husband was like, don't put that on. I smelled it and I was like, it's giving granny. It's giving, you know, just not classy, and right out of the bottle, in my opinion, right? But I will say, and I'm gonna put some on right now. I did have some on earlier, but I was out in the rain and I got poured on. When I first sprayed on myself, I'm just like, yeah, that's probably not my vibes. But once I left it like combine with my body chemistry, you know what I mean? Even my husband was like, oh, that changed pretty dramatically. And I'm like, yeah, it settles down, it gets a little bit lighter, it's more feminine. It's just, I don't know, something about it. But you have to give it like a good 5 minutes, because in the beginning I was like, oh no. But after a bit I was like, oh, okay. I don't know if it's something that I would want to go out and buy like a full-size bottle of, but I can see myself like using this up. Like, I know that I like it enough that if I could just get past those first 5 minutes, I will like it. So yeah, you warm up to it. You just have to give it some time to like work with your body chemistry, because if you smell it right out of the thing, I don't know, unless you like those types of perfumes, which to each their own. But yeah, it's already changing. So I'm excited I chose it because it was a nice way to test it out and see. And then the third item that I chose is the Nessa Matrix Beauty Evolution Powder Priming Smoothing Setting Face Powder. So I'm guessing you can kind of like put this on like you prime and then you put your powder on, and then, you know what I mean, how you know how people used to do that double powder trick. I'm guessing that's what she's talking about. I don't know. I did get it in the shade pink because I'm obsessed now with pink powder. I was already trying to like dip my toes into it, but I couldn't really get like the hype behind it, because I don't know, like I feel like I tried the pink powder from Elf, which I like the powder itself, but it wasn't giving me that like really that pop that I wanted, you know what I mean? And then I did try one from Morphe, which I will say I think I like Morphe's better than Elf's when it comes to pink powder. So again, it was okay. It was like drugstore, it was like fine. But when I tried Huda Beauty, and what is her pink one called? Is it Cupcake? I don't know. It's the pink one. And when I tried that one, my world changed. I do have the pink one from One Size and like a mini. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't tried it yet because I've been just using the Huda one. So I want to try that one too. I need to try it because I know everyone's saying that one is bomb.com too. But when I saw, and like honestly, out of the items, out of everything that they were like showing, I was like, yeah, this is something that I would choose either or, you know. But I was very excited to try this. Guys, isn't my nails cute? I know I always show you guys my nails, but like, aren't they cute with the little like flowers? Can you guys see? Oh my god. They are the Kiss, what are they called? Kiss Extend nails with the UV light thing. I'm obsessed with these nails, guys. I'm obsessed. They're so easy. They last a full 14 weeks. I had to buy the remover that they sell to get them off to change them because they last, okay? They last. And I'm a mom, okay? I work at an animal shelter. I deal with strong dogs and crazy cats, and they do not pop off. Okay, so just looking at it, and the lights could be washing it out a bit, but I will say that it's giving me Elf Morphe vibes. Like it looks like a white powder with like a hint of pink, you know what I mean? So I'm so excited to give this powder a try, but it's not like, ooh, it kind of has the same like Huda Beauty, you know what I mean? Like it has like that mesh that mesh net. So, okay. The only thing with, oh, that's cool. This little circle to keep the powder coming out. All right, guys, that is everything. This is my sign that I need to go. We need to end the video. I really did like everything that came into the box this month. I really enjoy how I got a perfume, a body scrub, I got some makeup, I got sunscreen, skin tint. Like, I love the vibes in this box. Let me know if you got Boxycharm or if you're planning on getting Boxycharm. I will go ahead and leave the link down below for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, mwah. Bye.